today we are making deviled eggs. This is a good Thanksgiving treat, and I made this channel so you guys at home can know how to cook and bake. Now let's hop right into it. You are going to take relish, Miracle Whip, and mustard. Those are your 3 ingredients besides egg yolk. But first, you gotta take your egg. We'll use these later. Take your egg, use a butter knife. Be very careful not to cut yourself. And you're just gonna slice it, and then you're gonna put your, oh. I am the worst at cutting things. Okay, we won't use those. And then we're just gonna take our yolk, and I'm actually just gonna take it, and I'm just gonna pop it over here with the other ones. You can do the same for this, but I'm gonna do another one, but this time I'm gonna be extra careful. I'm gonna only start with one at a time this time. And then you're actually gonna just, oh, see, that's what happens when you go too quick. And okay, one more. Like that. And put it right there. And then you're gonna mash it up. Mash it nice and frequently. And as you can see, it starts to get all crumbly and nice and amazing. Make sure you wash your hands before doing this. I did already, so don't worry. This step is probably the most important part, because if they are not mashed up, they will not mix correctly. Okay. Oh, and by the way, for a pro tip, use Miracle Whip, not mayonnaise. Mayonnaise might just throw off the flavor of sweet and tasty and yeah. So hold on, I'm gonna smash up the big parts real quick, and then we should be done. So you're gonna take a spoonful of relish and plop it in. Then you're gonna take a spoonful of Miracle Whip or Miracle, they're the same thing. They mean the same meaning. Then you're gonna take a shot of mustard. Just gotta shake it. Don't forget to shake it. Okay, got it. Okay, that's enough. Then once again, mix. Take this time to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. Comment down below if you like deviled eggs and are a Thanksgiving fan. I think everybody's a Thanksgiving fan. Now you're going to scoop a little more, but we did add a little extra Miracle Whip to put more like creaminess, and yeah. Now you're gonna take a spoon. Ooh, that's way too much, way too much. Too little. Okay. And then you're just gonna spoon it in here. And then you're gonna take some more and go to the other egg. And just repeat this process. Take some more and put it in the other egg. Ooh, maybe a little bit more for that one. And now, might just grab and delicious.